Hey everyone, Coach Investor back to another Tesla weekly video for today. I hope you're all having a wonderful weekend so far. So we've got some exciting news to talk about Tesla for this week. Some numbers out of China and out of Europe as well. Promising numbers despite all the noise that we've been getting throughout the last couple of weeks, if not months. Remember, upcoming week, we've got that huge event, the Cybertruck event, where a lot of details about the Cybertruck will be revealed, such as the price. Because up until now, we had the announcement of the price, of course, a couple of years ago, but until now, nothing, no leaks, nothing. So let's wait and see. In my opinion, I don't think it's going to be extremely expensive, because otherwise that would be very disappointing to everyone that has been waiting to get that Cybertruck. I mean, imagine if they say, oh yeah, the cost would be 90,000+ for just the first trim. Just doesn't make any sense. And maybe that's why Elon said that this will take a while until they break even. Remains to be seen. We only have to wait a week until we get more information. Now, I do want to start off with some positive news. Price increases yet again in China with regards to the Model Y long range that has increased by 2001. And this has been the fourth consecutive price increase for the Model Y. Then with regards to the Tesla insurance numbers for the week of November 13 to November 19, this came in at 16,300, so quite a nice little bump from last week. It is still down 2% quarter over quarter, but still up 36% year over year. Let's see if we can continue that trend. Now, with regards to the mix between Model Y and Model 3 for the insured vehicles, as you can see, we continue to increase Model Y. Model 3 has been a bit flat week over week. Now, that doesn't mean that there's no demand for the new Model 3 in China. That probably means that they're now exporting a lot of the Model 3 Highland. And then maybe in December, we're going to see more for the domestic market. Remains to be seen, but currently we are on the right track. Then last thing with regards to China is this post right here. This was shared by Ray for Tesla on X. So Tesla officially indicated today, which was, I believe, on November 23, the prep work to roll out FSD Beta is currently underway in response to reporters' inquiry. Though no specific timeline is given, I'm guessing it will be when version 12 is ready, probably towards the end of December or early January 2024. Of course, with regards to version 12, we'll have some news on that as well. Will be discussed later on in this video. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, would really appreciate that. If you want to support me even further, do check out the link down in the description and in the pinned comment to get the top 10 best stocks to buy now, or go to fool.com/couchinvestor. Thank you very much. Now, with regards to some more exciting news, we've got some news that could be very exciting for those of you that are interested to buy a more performing vehicle in 2024 and onwards, because apparently Tesla had said that a new Model 3 Performance will come out in the first half of 2024, and it will be pretty special. According to Tesla, it left a few things on the table in 2017 due to production hell and trying to scale up production. Tesla suggests there was loads more potential with the original Performance, and that the 2024 Model 3 Performance is to address that and realize that potential, with driving enthusiasts at the center of the significant engineering work that is taking place. The company is also hinting that there is a whole lot more to the 2024 Model 3 Performance, including significant hardware and software changes. Now remember, the new Model 3 Highland is not available worldwide just yet. So maybe the launch in the United States, for example, will have both the normal and the performance one. Who knows? Up next, let's switch to Europe. So for Europe, year to date, the BEV share in Europe with year-over-year growth rate and market sizes, as you can see, Norway, despite having an incredible 2022, still growing in 2023. I mean, Finland is up 107%, Belgium 95%, Greece 92%, Slovenia 81%, Denmark 80%, Estonia 76%, Cyprus 65%, of course, small markets overall, but nice increases. With regards to the big markets, so Germany, that's up 22%, UK is up 13%, France is up 25%. Then with regards to European car sales by brand from January to October, Tesla is up 100%. Still a relatively small player, but I mean, if we can continue to grow at these rates, it's only a matter of time until we become one of the biggest players. Then with regards to taking market share in Europe, well, Tesla is taking a lot more market share than the rest. It's actually up 69% year over year. Volkswagen is down 1%, Toyota is down 6%, Peugeot is down 9%, Hyundai down 11%, Ford 13% down, Fiat, Citroën down 17 and 14% respectively. We have Skoda taking share by 6%, Audi increasing share by 6% as well. Then moving on to another part of the world, and that's India. Of course, there's still a lot of speculations on the next gigafactory. Where will Tesla open their next factory? Is it India? Is it Indonesia? What other countries? Well, we keep getting more and more rumors on India. There was a report, so India closer to agreement with Tesla to import EVs, set up a plant. Now, because these rumors have been circulating a lot in recent weeks, maybe something will materialize in the coming weeks, but right now, these are just rumors. Let's wait and see until we have concrete evidence, concrete confirmation by Tesla itself that their next big investment, I believe it's going to be $2 billion or so, is going to be in India. And what will happen there? Is it only going to be exports? Is it also going to be energy side of the business? Remains to be seen. Then last two things here. One is with regards to Dave Lee's and Jason DeBoll's tweet with regards to a partnership between Tesla and xAI. Of course, we know that Tesla xAI, well, X overall, its AI arm, is working with Tesla, with engineers of SpaceX probably as well. We've seen that on their website when they announced xAI. So here, basically, they're asking whether or not or how can Tesla retail investors have skin in the game with regards to the development of xAI, to which Elon here responds, we'll discuss with Tesla board. Because whether you like it or not, we as Tesla shareholders have paid a part in buying Twitter. I mean, we have taken a hit when Elon has sold billions of dollars worth of share to buy Twitter. We as Tesla shareholders have taken that hit. Now, I don't know how we're going to get skin in the game with regards to xAI. Maybe Tesla will invest 1% or so in that company, remains to be seen. Remember, when Starlink is going to IPO eventually, Elon also promised that Tesla investors will get somehow some priority in that IPO. How will that happen? I don't know. Remains to be seen, and hopefully he does not forget that promise. And last thing here is the huge announcement that came out of nowhere. So apparently Tesla FSD version 12 has reportedly started rolling out to employees with the newest update, to which Martin Viecha, Investor Relations at Tesla, tweeted out and said, Christmas has come a month early. I mean, we've all known about the timeline with regards to Tesla and Elon's promises, right? In about 2 weeks or so. So finally, we got something early. Of course, this is just an internal thing right now. I believe it's just the QA team at Tesla. Then the rollout will maybe be towards the end of the year. And that's why the post from Ray for Tesla with regards to FSD Beta in China might also be later this year. Remains to be seen, but again, pretty exciting news. I believe 2024 will be an exciting year for Tesla, despite all the struggles that you might hear in the last couple of weeks. And now last thing here is the graph. We are still around that 200-day moving average. We're actually finished above it for this week, $235. We're also just above the 50-day moving average, so that's fine. RSI is still pretty neutral. I believe there's going to be a big move in the stock when the Cybertruck event will happen, or the day after. Whether it's going to be an extreme disappointment or super exciting remains to be seen. Again, these are just short-term catalysts. You shouldn't really care that much about that. So overall, pretty exciting news for Tesla. There's still a long road ahead with regards to the company, with regards to various investments that they are making. We're just in the first or second chapter right now, in my opinion. I mean, Cybertruck launch, Tesla Semi ramping up. Yes, I know it's been disappointing so far, but there's still so much more. Whether or not you believe in FSD, whether or not you believe in the Optimus robot, energy side of the business still continues to ramp up as well. So yeah, I mean, we're still early days despite Tesla being around for a while and despite the stock being up quite a lot, and despite the company being worth over $700 billion, in my opinion, there's still a lot more growth ahead. But of course, You can disagree, you can agree. Do share your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoy this type of videos, leave it a thumbs up, subscribe if you have not, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye bye.